Hi there, here we have a Volkswagen California. It's the DSG bi-turbo 180 brake, but what sends this one, makes this one stand out is it's had the new engine replacement, which was done at 63,000 miles. It's now on 67, so the the brand new engine has literally done 4,000 or 5,000 miles only. It's got all the receipts for it. There's bills adding up to about 12 grand when they did it. Changed the DPF, the turbos, everything. And it's got the latest EGR cooler with the D badge on it, if you've done your research on these. And as I said, it's all brand new. It's got receipts and everything in the book pack. So it's literally done 4,000 or 5,000 miles from new. I have photographed the engine. If you look at the car itself, it's in very, very good order. Try and show you down the sides. There's no dents. It's got the aftermarket upgraded wheels. Well, the genuine wheels are just the upgraded ones. You've got the front parking sensors and rear. The roof's all good. If you look down, it's the wheels. The tyres are good. We've got the bike rack. See, it's got the parking sensors, the spare wheel. You've got the roof bars as well. The table and chairs, which on California's, the chairs stow away in the tailgate, and the table stows away in the sliding door, which is soft close, as is the tailgate. Isofix rear seats. Now it's pretty well had. See, it's a one owner, well, from March 2015, which is when it was registered. So I think it was a pre-reg by Volkswagen. That's got a little aftermarket torch. So it's literally been a one owner all through. It's got all the service history and everything else with it, and the services he's had since it was done at 63. It's got all the history, but the services since 63,000 miles where it had the engine done. It's also got the safe. Lockable safe there in the wardrobe. The fridge is all good. Sink and the 2-burner gas hob. It has got a new gas bottle in the back as well. It's got the stereo upgrade, heated seats, obviously DSG. If you look at the seats, they're all in really good order. And the driver's seat there, which would be this side, would be the bolster when it's turned round. Let's try and just show you up here. You've got the wooden slats, the torch. So there we go. That's your diesel heater. Obviously it's electric roof kit's getting water running down, which is really annoying when I'm trying to photo it, so I'll keep doing that. Try and show you the clocks if I can. So it's 67,320, well, just looked at the receipt, it was 63,000 something miles when that engine was rebuilt. I will send a picture of the with it set up as a bed on the photos. There should be about 100 photos that the amount I've been taking. Quick last walk around it. Good spec with the parking sensors and the fog lights. And obviously the wind-up awning and all that. I'll quickly show you the drawer. I'm showing you that if I. So that's for the fourth bike. Your locking wheel nut, charge lead, curtains to the side. And in the back I shall show you, it's got the comfort mattress. And those are the seat covers that we removed, the plastic hardware and seat covers. That's why the interior is so nice. All the sides aren't all bashed and horrible. I won't bother showing you that because I've done a picture of the gas bottle in there. And your chairs stow away in the back here. So thank you for looking.